Welcome to this Bootstrap series course today. So this is what we'll be doing actually. So we'll be talking about the spacing, the utility. So let me just make this brief. I believe with your knowledge of CSS, you know about margin and padding. So I'll just be doing this very fast. So the property, we have margin and padding. We have P and M for the margin and padding, and we have the sides, which is in the T for the top, and the B for the bottom, and the X for the start, which is the left and right, and the E for the end, which is the left and right also. That is E for the right, that it will start from the right, the E from the end side, and we have X, which is for the right, which is horizontal, and we have Y, which is the vertical, bottom, top and bottom. And we have the sizes from 0 to 5, and also auto. So very fast. I will just be going to this. I will be diving to this. So this is actually the code. If you can see here, I use inline styling to actually style this. So I'll be duplicating this, so we'll be doing something like this again. So with Bootstrap, this is what I styled with this is CSS. So let me duplicate this. So, and I will save this. Let's go to our browser and check. You see the same thing. So I want to remove all those styles there. So I'll just come here and I'll take this off very fast. Take this off very fast, and I'll just remove this. This is the inline styling. Sorry. So I'll just remove this, and I'll remove this very fast. I'll remove this very fast, and I will save this, and I will save this. So let's go to do you see it? So let's do this very fast. So first of all, we'll be looking. So we have our padding, we have width and margin, and we have the border. So first we'll be starting with our border. So before we start with our border, I will take you. So let me write my class first. So let's go to our browser here and check the border. So the border, so we'll be talking about the border. Look at the border. I believe this is the border, the full border for the full border. And let me take this off in this one. And for the top, do you see the top, the end, the bottom, and the start? So let me go to my our border. This is our border. So I'll save this. I'll come here. Do you see border? Do you see the border line? Do you see line? So I believe immensely. So the border here, we have 1 pixel solid black. So if we want to actually increase this border, we see border. Let me do 5. Let's see the results first. So do you see the thickness of the border? So actually it's just 1. So save this. Let's see. You see that is 1. So now I want to actually add color for the border to make the border thick. If you see the border is dark, the other one, so we'll make it dark and save. So you see it will, you see now dark, it's almost the same, dark. So we are done with the border. So the next one is what we'll be doing, the width. So let's go to our browser here. So can you see the sizing? Let's go to here, sizing. You have different type of width. We have 25, it starts from 25, we have 50, we have 75, 500, and we have auto. So we are going for the 50. So let's do this very fast. So it's WM50. So I will see it now. You see the results. So do you see the results? So next one, we are doing the margin. So we just talked about the margin. So the margin will be, for the margin, the side and left will do auto, put it at the middle. So we'll just save, and you see it came to the middle. Do you see the same size? So the next one will be what? The padding. That is the padding. Don't forget the padding is P. P would be doing the both sides, so we'll do x5. So we'll be doing this very fast. x5. You see? So let me do something. I want to do the starting padding starts, which is, let me do 5. You see the difference? Do you see? Starts, it just move. If I do end, if I do the end, you'll see something now. That's how it look also in the margin. So we want to do the left and right. So we'll do left and right. You see? Now we want everything to affect it. So just everything, you see, it will affect everything. So it will affect everything. You see? So that's just for that. So the next one here is for this our p tag. The style is margin. So once we actually style it as the margin, so we come here and do our margin. Our margin will do our left and right, sorry class, we'll do our left and right margin, which it will give us auto. No, auto, yes, auto. So give us auto. Sorry, we should make it 3 because of this one here is 3 rem. So let's make it 3. Let's see the results. You actually see the results. It's actually giving us some results. Okay, so let me do this and save this. Let's see the results. Almost the same thing too. So the next stuff that I want to actually do, the next stuff I want to actually do, let's see. Let me make this x 3. Alright, it's okay like this. So the next stuff I want to actually do here is actually bringing this down. So I don't want it to be here. Let's go to this top here and make this. Let's make this top, margin top. Let's say 5. Okay. So it's okay like this. So the next one I want to do now, this div here. So we'll be doing our what width first, which is class. We'll do class, our extra class. We'll do it 50. So give it with 50. So I've talked about this text align, which is text center, to actually make the text be at the center. So we'll just save center. It's in the center now. So the next one will be margin. Let's do margin. Let's do our margin. Let's do margin auto. And save margin auto. So the next one, I want to put our background. So we have talked about background already. So it's BG. We'll do dark. So let's see the outcome. It's dark already. It's dark. Let's make it black. Let's make it black. So I will save this black. You see. So let's make the color. Let's come here and talk about the color. So you see we have different type of colors. All the colors, it's text primary, and we want to use text white. So you can come Bootstrap. I believe you have the knowledge of CSS already. So let's come on Bootstrap and save this. You see, it's almost what's the same thing. So we'll come here. We want to give this particular space. Let's do margin top. Let's do our margin. Yes, our margin. Not giving us what? It's not giving me. Margin top. Margin. Yes. Okay. Let's do margin top. Let's do 5 and save this. And let's see. Okay. Are you seeing the outcome? Let's do okay, this padding, it's X. Let's start. Yes, no, not X. Okay, like this. So the next stuff that I want to actually do, it's what we are done with this, to do the white text and every other stuff, and the 50. So we are done with this already. Let me see if we are missing anything. If we are missing anything, are we missing anything? Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me see if I miss anything. Padding 3 rem. Let's see the outcome. Okay, fine. Now this I want to put button here, padding, margin, button. Let me see 3 to actually make that stuff. Okay, it's almost the same thing, just also increasing the width. Now there's something I actually do not do. I think this is it. That's why. Going back. So let me do padding 5. Let me see this outcome. Because everything is supposed to affect my work. It's not affecting my work. Oh, sorry. Is it? Let me bring this down, because I saw that it's not really affecting my work. So let me do class. Let me do margin. Auto. And save this. What are we working for now? Okay, this is okay. So that's just what I want to actually get. This is what I want to actually get. I think it's talking about that just it for now. So we'll just end this series here. So we'll go into the next series. Thank you for joining me. I urge you to join me in the next series. Thank you.